Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
You just made me so nervous. Hi, my name is Megal and welcome to Hair Me Out. Today I will be shaving half my hair, and before we get into that, do not forget to subscribe down below. So I've been thinking about shaving my hair on the side for about 3 months now. I've done it before. It was actually pretty small, just like right here. So this time I wanted to shave a larger section of my head that's more noticeable. Even though I'm shaving more hair, I'm less nervous about it. The older I get and the more comfortable I become with myself, I like to try different things. I'm always wearing crazy makeup looks. You would think that if you're gonna get your hair shaved that you would wanna go to a professional. It can go poorly very quickly. But I'm not going to a professional. I'm gonna have my friend shave my hair for me. Anthony will be shaving my hair today. I was like, I trust you. And I'm really excited for him to start.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
You just made me so nervous. When I was back in Michigan, that's when I was worried about what people were gonna say, if my parents and my family would like it. Being in New York, it's a perfect environment to try new hairstyles without any judgment. I can just focus on just pretty much getting a haircut that I want to get.
I'm gonna be honest, I can't believe you let me do this.
You're telling me now! It's like a 2-year-old. Took some scissors to my head. As a woman and a South Asian woman, there's a lot of associations with femininity. To have long, black, beautiful hair. You don't dye your hair, you don't shave your hair, you keep it long. To some people, having long black hair is seen as better and more valuable, and it can make making a bigger visual change a little bit more difficult, but I definitely think that if you want to cut your hair, just go ahead and do it. I mean, hair is hair, it will grow back. Wait, this is better than I thought.
Oh, okay.
Wow, you did a great job, Anthony. It's like nothing ever happened.
I mean, if you want it back, I could try to stick this back on.
It looks great. I know that this haircut isn't for everybody, but I personally love the way it turned out. I am not the kind of person to shy away from something bold, and at the end of the day, hair is just hair. I finally feel like myself after shaving off half my hair. Thanks for watching this episode of Hair Me Out. Let us know what you want to see next on our channel in the comments down below. To subscribe to Refinery29, click here, and to watch more videos, click here.